And join me right after we see what Tac Renata from FHIA has for us today.
When we were talking about this project and we initially met, some of the things that you discussed about why you wanted to change out the windows, there was one thing in particular that really stood out for me. Last hurricane season, what did you do for hurricane protection and how did that happen?
Well, I had the shutters that you had to put up, the aluminum shutters, so I basically did it all myself.
And then once they're on, they don't come down by themselves either.
No,
so you have
it's
to take
a
them down.
lot of work bringing them down. As much as it is going up, it's the same as coming down.
Same work coming down, right?
So I decided, you know, my daughter's going to be moving away, and I just wanted less hassle of trying to deal with it by myself. More security for me too, knowing that I'll be safe inside my home, knowing that someone trying to get in won't really be able to get in or break the window. So it's a lot more security for me, so I feel a lot more comfortable.
And this was the original window right here that you currently have. We're going to be removing it shortly. But I always noticed it's just a single pane piece of glass, the original window. So energy efficiency and making the home more comfortable, was that one of the priorities as well?
One of the priorities too. My electric bill is really high, even though I just changed my air conditioning, it still runs a lot. Hoping that now with the new windows, my bill will go down a little bit.
Well, you chose a great window, not only for hurricane protection, but it is going to make the home a lot more energy efficient. It has the Solar Max technology, which is going to reflect all the radiant heat away from the home, just making your home more comfortable.
Exactly. So I'm really pleased for now with how everything is going, and hopefully after it's up, and you know, I'm sure I don't think it's going to have any problems, so I'm hoping that everything is going to be great from now on.
It was so much fun having the opportunity to speak with Isabel today, and how impressive is she? The fact that she used to put up the paneled shutters all by herself, I know how much work that is, and that's a pretty great job for her. She's going to be a lot more safe with the hurricane windows that she has installed and a lot more comfortable. So she's really happy with how everything turned out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.